Welcome to my honest review of HairClub, one of the most well-known platforms for hair loss solutions. HairClub offers a variety of services aimed at helping individuals combat hair loss, including hair regrowth treatments, transplants, and non-surgical solutions. Whether you're looking for a quick fix or long-term treatment, HairClub provides several options to help restore your confidence. Their website is designed to give users easy access to a consultation process, offering customized solutions based on individual needs. The first thing I noticed when browsing the HairClub website is its clean and user-friendly interface. The site does an excellent job of guiding you through the available services, with clear descriptions of each treatment. The options vary from non-surgical methods, like laser therapy, to advanced surgical transplants. However, navigating through the site to find specific details about the services wasn't always as straightforward as I hoped. Some sections could be more streamlined to provide quicker access to key information. Once you decide to explore their services, HairClub offers a free consultation, which can be scheduled right from their homepage. This is a nice touch, as it gives you a direct conversation with a professional who can guide you on the best approach for your hair loss situation. But the wait times for consultations can sometimes be a bit longer than expected, which could be frustrating if you're eager to start your journey. In terms of their treatment offerings, HairClub covers a wide range of options. They have proven treatments for both men and women, from low-level laser therapy to hair transplants. What I really appreciate is the transparency on their website regarding results, costs, and expectations. That said, the costs can be on the higher end, which might be a concern for some individuals. The pricing varies depending on the treatment you choose, and there are no hidden fees, which I found reassuring. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another aspect I want to mention is the customer service experience. I reached out with a few questions about the procedure, and received timely responses. However, I did experience a bit of confusion in terms of follow-up communication, which could use some improvement. Nonetheless, I was satisfied with the answers I received about the treatments. In conclusion, HairClub is a reputable platform with a wide array of treatments that can address hair loss for many individuals. The website is informative and easy to navigate, but there is room for improvement in some areas, such as clarity on pricing and follow-up communication. Overall, if you're serious about finding a solution to your hair loss, HairClub is worth considering. Don't forget to check out the useful links in the description for additional resources. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this review helpful, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.